Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas. I am so excited to be participating in Vlogmas this year. I will be bringing you videos every day from December 1st to December 25th. Yes, every single day. Make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any. Welcome to day 3 of Vlogmas. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you on a little shopping excursion to get a new Christmas tree and some accessories. So let's get into it. All the good trees are gone. Okay, so as you saw in the previous video, I went to Home Goods and I got my Christmas tree and ornaments and some hooks. So let me show you what I ended up getting. So first I got this Christmas shatterproof 50-piece Christmas tree ornament set. And then I got 2 of these 16-piece gold sets. Got some hooks and 2 packs of these gold ornaments. I found these 2 super cute gold trees that I'll be using as well. All right, and here is the Christmas tree that I got. It's the 7-foot pre-lit Braddock tree. Comes with the clear lights, and this is what it looks like. So I also went to the Dollar Tree and picked up some accessories for my table, which I'll be showing you a little bit later. And I also got a tree topper and a Christmas tree skirt. So let's get into decorating this tree. So I have a special co-host on today's video, someone that's going to be helping me put this Christmas tree up.
You introduced me.
Take 2. Today I have a special co-host that's going to be helping me to put this Christmas tree together. Take 500. So on today's video, I have a special co-host. I have my son Vince, who is Vince. So I have a special co-host today on my video, my son Vincent, who's gonna help me decorate the Christmas tree. Ready, Vince? Mm-hmm. Let's get started. finally finished decorating the tree. Definitely still need to go out to get a few more accessories, but I'm gonna show you what the tree is looking like right now. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.